Welcome to our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of lean maintenance, a proactive and cost-effective approach to keeping your machinery and systems running smoothly. We'll be diving deep into the concepts of total productive maintenance, showing you how everyone in your organization can play a part in maintaining efficiency and reliability. We'll also let you in on some strategies and tools that can help you implement lean maintenance in your own operations. So if you're looking to minimize costs while maximizing uptime, stick around. You're about to learn how to make your operations more profitable and sustainable. Lean maintenance is a proactive approach to maintaining systems and machinery. It's all about being efficient and cost-effective. This strategy is based on the concept of total productive maintenance, an initiative that involves everyone in maintenance tasks and management. It's about how each person at every level of an organization can contribute to maintenance and reliability. The term lean is being used quite a bit these days. It's all about running a business with as few resources as possible. The main goal of lean maintenance is to keep costs to a minimum while supporting high uptime and efficiency. The end result? More profitable and sustainable operations. Lean maintenance is a proactive maintenance strategy. It aims to take care of problems before they develop rather than after a breakdown occurs. There are several advantages to this approach. First, it results in less downtime. Major equipment failures take longer to resolve than minor upkeep tasks, which means more downtime. By preventing major faults and breakdowns through proactive maintenance, you maximize uptime and allow your machines to produce at full capacity. Second, it leads to more profitable production. As your machines keep moving at full capacity, you're better able to stick to production timelines, fulfill orders, and maximize revenue. And third, it creates safer work environments. Equipment failures not only cause expensive downtime, but they also pose a safety risk to your personnel. Operators working on well-maintained equipment have less chance of suffering injury than those working on something that could unexpectedly break down. So, how do you implement lean maintenance? There are several tools, processes, and strategies that can help. First, there's the 5S process. This stands for sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. It's a process that regular personnel can follow to support maintenance processes. Second, there's mistake proofing. This involves making plans and implementing procedures to keep mistakes to a minimum. This might include things like making sure preventive maintenance procedures are well defined, creating detailed job plans, color-coding lubricants and cleaning supplies, labeling all equipment, and creating complete change management processes. Third, there are Kaizen events. These are short-term projects put on by management to help a team improve in some way, such as in implementing 5S principles. Fourth, there's the use of modern computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS. These can assist with lean maintenance by streamlining maintenance planning and scheduling processes, work order management, and other components. And fifth, there's maintenance analysis. Continuous analysis of your maintenance processes is key to making sure they are as lean as possible. Setting up a lean maintenance workflow doesn't happen all at once. It takes time, and you need a number of elements in play to make it work. Here are 6 steps to help you get your lean maintenance process set up. Step 1. Form a maintenance team. You'll need team members who have experience working on the specific assets you'll be managing. Step 2. Choose a leader. This person should have a general knowledge of how each machine should be managed, but they also need strong leadership and organizational skills. Step 3. Pick systems to manage. Choose one that needs the most help, probably the one that contributes most to maintenance costs or production downtime, and start there. Step 4. Schedule lean maintenance. Determine what tasks need to be done and schedule the best time to complete each. Step 5. Work in cycles. To keep workloads at consistently manageable levels, work in cycles with your team cycling through different systems to make sure they get to all of them. And step 6. Repeat. Since lean maintenance is proactive, it needs to be repeated regularly in order to make sure each piece of equipment stays in top working condition. A modern computerized maintenance management system, such as UpKeep, can help make lean maintenance much easier to implement. It provides calendar-based preventive maintenance scheduling, maintenance checklists, and the ability to run reports for preventive maintenance tasks. In conclusion, lean maintenance is a comprehensive strategy that strives to make maintenance tasks as efficient as possible, all while keeping assets in top condition. It incorporates numerous elements and therefore requires some time and preparation to implement, but the end result is reduced maintenance costs and improved equipment reliability. Thank you for watching. We've covered the key concepts of lean maintenance, its benefits, and how to implement it in your operations. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help you implement lean maintenance, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you make your operations more profitable and sustainable.